Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the Slow Talk podcast. I am Amelia. Listeners, did you know that 65% of English learners feel panicked the moment a shop assistant speaks to them?
Hello, everyone. Hello, Amelia. 65%? I think that number is too small. For me, it feels like 100%.
Why is that, Ethan?
Because last week, I went into a big store in London. A man walked to me, smiled, and said, "How can I help you?" And my brain, it just stopped. I forgot my name. I forgot why I was there. I just said, "Yes, thank you, bye," and I ran away.
Oh, Ethan, you are not alone. That simple question, how can I help you, is the boss level for many beginners. But today, we are going to give you the cheat codes.
Cheat codes? Like in a video game?
Exactly. We are going to show you exactly what to say in a shop, a restaurant, or an office. No more running away.
Friends, if you want to walk into a shop like a boss, stay with us. This is going to change your shopping life.
And if you want to help us grow our family, please subscribe. Every new member makes our community stronger.
Yes, join us. Now, Amelia, tell us, what is the secret to answering that question?
Okay, Ethan, and okay, everyone, we are now entering the real world. Imagine you are in a beautiful store. You see a perfect jacket. Suddenly, the assistant comes. How can I help you?
Okay, I am ready. I'm not running away this time. What is my first cheat code, Amelia?
The most important one. If you are just looking, say, I'm just browsing, thanks.
Browsing. That sounds like a computer word, like a web browser.
Exactly. It means you are looking, but you don't want to buy anything right now. It is a magic sentence. It tells the assistant, please leave me alone in a polite way. Ethan, did you know that in English-speaking countries, people use the word just to make things softer? If you say, I am looking, it is okay. I'm just looking.
Wow, just. Tiny word, big power. Let me try. I'm just browsing, thanks.
Perfect. Listeners, let's practice this. Close your eyes and imagine you are in a shop. Repeat after me. I'm just browsing, thanks. One more time, with a smile in your voice. I'm just browsing, thanks.
Okay, but what if I want to buy that jacket? What if it's too small?
Then you need these power words, Ethan. Do you have this in a larger size? Where are the fitting rooms?
Fitting rooms. Okay, let me try. Excuse me, do you have this in blue?
Great! Friends, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite color for clothes? Do you like blue, black, or maybe red? Write it down. It is good practice for your shopping English.
And hey, if you're learning these power words right now, don't forget to subscribe. We have many more real-life scenes coming.
Now we are hungry. We are at a burger place. The person behind the counter says, how can I help you? Or maybe, what can I get for you?
Oh, that sounds different. What can I get for you? Is that the same thing?
Yes, it means, what do you want to eat? Here's your cheat code. Use I'll have or can I get.
I'll have a cheeseburger and a large cola.
Perfect. But wait, they will ask you a very important question. For here or to go?
For here or to go? For here means I eat in the restaurant, right? And to go means I take it to my house.
Exactly. Listeners, repeat after me. Imagine you are hungry. For here, please. To go, please. Last stop, Ethan. You are at a hotel. You are tired. The receptionist says, how can I help you, sir?
I know this one. I have a reservation.
Yes, but what if you want to leave your bags? You say, "Can I leave my luggage here?"
Luggage. That is a heavy word. Lug-age.
Yes, it is. Can I leave my luggage here? It is a lifesaver when you want to walk around the city without big bags.
Friends, take a deep breath. You are doing great. We are learning how to handle the real world together.
You are a natural, Ethan. But wait, there is a quiz coming in part 3, and I want to see if you can remember the hotel cheat code.
A quiz. I'm ready. Friends, don't leave. Grab a snack and come back for the final part. We're going to test your boss-level English.
Stay with us. Stay slow. Okay, everyone, it is time for the real-life mastery quiz. Ethan, are you ready to test your boss level?
I am ready. I have my jacket, my burger, and my luggage. Let's do this.
Question 1. You are in a shop. You don't want to buy anything. You are only looking. What do you say? A. I want to buy a car. B. I'm just browsing, thanks.
I remember the magic word. It is B. I'm just browsing. Thanks.
Ding! Correct. Question 2. You are at a burger shop. You want to eat the burger in your house. What do you say? A. For here, please. B. To go, please.
Easy. I want to go to my house, so the answer is B. To go, please.
Ding, ding! Perfect. Final question. You are at a hotel. You have a big, heavy bag. You want to leave it at the reception. What is the power word for bag? A. Luggage. B. Sandwich.
I don't want to leave a sandwich at the reception. The answer is A. Luggage.
You are a star, Ethan. You are ready for the real world.
Wow, I feel much better. But Amelia, I have one more question. Sometimes people say, may I help you? And sometimes, how can I help you? Is there a difference?
That is a great question, Ethan. May I help you is a bit more formal, and how can I help you is more common. But don't worry, your answer is the same. Just be polite and use your cheat codes.
Friends, did you hear that? Don't worry about the small things. Just speak. And hey, if you feel like this podcast is your home for English, please subscribe. We are not just a channel. We are a family drinking coffee and learning together.
Yes, and we love having you in our family. Every comment you write makes us smile. Before we finish, I have a small secret for you.
We are listening, Amelia.
When you go into a shop or a hotel and you feel nervous, remember this. The person behind the counter is not a judge. They're not checking your grammar. They just want to help you buy a jacket or eat a burger.
So they don't care if I say he go instead of he goes?
No, Ethan, they really don't care. They want to understand your heart, not your grammar book. Be brave. Use the words you know. That is how you change your life.
So that makes me feel so brave. Thank you, Amelia.
You're welcome. Friends, thank you for spending your time with us today. Go out there and try your new cheat codes.
Stay smart, stay happy.
And stay slow. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.